The financial sector. Cyber attacks in the financial sector pose a significant and evolving threat, leveraging sophisticated techniques to exploit vulnerabilities in digital infrastructure. These attacks can have devastating consequences, including financial loss, reputational damage, and regulatory penalties. Doesn't matter if you're Capital One, JP Morgan Chase, HSBC, Barclays, or even Bank of America. They're coming for you. They already have come for those companies I just mentioned. Now, let me get one thing straight. They aren't just coming after the big banks. They are equal opportunity attackers. If you are a small regional bank or even a credit union, you're going to be targeted as well. So how are these cyber criminals attacking financial institutions? Main vectors: ransomware, phishing, DDoS attacks, and insider threats. So what kind of impact on the financial sector does this type of attack have? Well, financial losses for one thing. Loss of PII is another common occurrence. Regulatory penalties, operational disruption, and the one thing that is often not talked about enough: reputational damage. So, is there anything or any way to mitigate these attacks? Well, there are. Advanced threat detection is something that all of these institutions have to be implementing. Followed up next by, of course, employee trainings, because these days everyone is at risk, and you don't want to be the straw that broke the camel's back, so to speak. An incident response plan has to be in place. And lastly, regulatory compliance. When we're talking about the financial sector, threats are constantly occurring and they're growing. These institutions must remain vigilant and use a layered approach so that they aren't the next business we read about in the news that falls victim to an attack. Obviously, reach out to us and stay safe out there.